In this video, I'm going to show you how you can take just one video ad and you can create endless variations for ad split testing. That is not only going to maximize your ad's performance, but it's also going to help you tap into several niche audience segments. It's going to help you maximize Facebook ads results, and it's going to help you continue to improve your ad results over time easily. And it also takes literally just a few minutes to implement this strategy. And this is called like my video ad hook testing strategy. And that's what we're going to be going through in this video. So I'm just going to jump into my screen. I'm going to demonstrate exactly what it is that we're going to be doing. Now, for those of you who don't know, the way Meta has, this is Meta just to represent your Meta ads account or your Meta ads algorithm or whatever you want to call it. And the way the algorithm works essentially is by you launch your ads. Facebook then optimizes those ads, and it has this kind of like consistent feedback loop. So you get someone that clicks your ad, Facebook then learns and starts feeding your ads out to more users that are similar to the person that clicked on or engaged or viewed that ad. They then keep feeding it to more people, and then it does the same thing again and it keeps feeding back, and you get this constant feedback loop where Meta kind of improves performance over time. And so what we're trying to do with this hook testing strategy is we're trying to maximize the best amount we can in terms of how we can optimize Meta's algorithm without having to be too specific with the targeting, what we're trying to do. And so what a hook basically is, it's a 2 to 3 second piece of script. It could be a headline, could be a text on an image, or in this instance, a hook is the first 3 seconds of your video ad, and that is what's going to draw attention to your particular video ad. So what we're going to talk about here is hook split testing. So if we take a video ad, this is a video ad start, this is the end of the video ad. You tend to have like kind of core sections. If anyone didn't see my last YouTube video, which I uploaded, I think a couple of days ago, which is about video ads and how to craft good video ads, we know that we have kind of like 4 key sections to our video. We have the A, which is the AIDA section. We have the attention section, which is the first sort of 0 to 3 seconds of our video. And that is the hook section, which we're going to be talking about in this video. And that is the part that we're going to be split testing. Then have the information section, which is sort of the first maybe third of the video. That is the the information section. That's where we kind of talk about product information, or we talk about the features, or the problems that it solves and things like that. It's basically a normal video ad structure. We then have maybe a desire section, which is where we talk more specifically about who has helped, how it's helped them, reviews and that kind of stuff. And then we have an action section, and this is our call to action, what we want the users to do, and obviously that is at the end of the video. So what we're trying to do here is essentially, instead of just relying on every time we want to test something, we have to come up with a new video ad and then a new video ad and then a new video ad, and that stuff can be very, very time consuming. Instead of doing that, what we're going to do is we're going to just split test hooks. And that hook is like we said, the first sort of 0 to 3 seconds of our video ad. And what this allows us to do is it allows us to come up with a whole bunch more video ads without actually having to recreate anything else from scratch. We can take the first 3 seconds and we can actually turn each of one of these into a full-length video ad right here. And because of the way the algorithm works, it allows us to tap into a completely different and new audience segment because of the different type of hook that we use at the start of that video. So let me give you an example of a hook. Let's say you're advertising for a roofing contractor, right? One person's hook may be that their roof is actually leaking, water is actually coming through the top of their roof. Another person's hook, or a hook that resonates with them, will be that their house's energy bills are super high, their roof is really old, and they think they're leaking energy through their roof. Another hook, which will resonate with a different type of person, might be that their roof actually is broken and they're actively searching for a roofer. Those are 3 completely different reasons why somebody might need a quote for a roof. So it makes complete sense that by testing each 3 of those different hooks as different kind of entry points to our video ads, the outro of our video ads here can be more or less the same for each one of these 3 hooks. And therefore we can actually maximize output whilst minimizing input. So let me show you a live example of this in action. So here we have a video ad that I've actually had edited, which is going to be for a product that I'm currently advertising for. So I'm just going to play this video ad and I'm going to explain to you how we're going to use this strategy to maximize the results of this particular video ad. Okay, so I'm just going to play this video ad example of a product that I'm currently testing with, so you can see what sort of video ads I'm running here.
A feature that makes multi-story living The feature that makes multi-story living effortless. Morgan Ellis home lifts combine cutting-edge engineering with bespoke design, significantly increasing property value while providing unmatched convenience. Each installation is fully customized to complement your home's architecture perfectly. Thousands of premium UK installations, 5-star ratings, and showcased at Grand Designs Live. We're the premier home lift specialists. Elevate your lifestyle. Click the link to build your home lift quote today.
So you can see at the start of that video, we've got like 3 seconds where we have our call out.
The feature that makes multi-story living effortless.
So right there, we can then test multiple different variants. So what I've gone and done is I've pulled up my Custom GPT. So this is my own copy generator, which I've given to my private community members. This is preloaded with all of my best marketing material, information, examples, stuff like that. Obviously for you, what you can do is you can just create your own Custom GPT prompt. I've just given it my video ad script, and I've asked it to output different hooks at the start. So you can see we've got loads of different hooks here. We've got the the home upgrade UK seniors are calling life-changing. We've got move between floors quietly, safely, effortlessly. We've got trusted by thousands across the UK and featured at Grand Designs Live. We've got your memories are upstairs. Let's make sure you can reach them. I like that, right? So we've got loads of different hooks. And then what we can do is we can go into my text-to-speech tool, which I use, which is called 11 Labs. And we can actually take that. So for example, the home upgrade UK seniors are calling life-changing. We can actually click on here and generate speech. Make sure we're using the same audio. Just listen to that again.
Grade UK seniors are calling life-changing.
Now what we can do is we can actually download that clip. We can come into our video editor, like I pulled this actual video in here. What I've done is I've just removed that first audio section here. I've just attached it and I've just replaced it with my new audio section. Now obviously you'd want to make sure you input the video without subtitles. This is from my editor, who's already added subtitles, so I would normally get him to do this for me. But for you, you can just obviously redo the subtitles for that section in your video editor. It's very, very easy to do, right? But now you can see here, if I listen to this,
The home upgrade UK seniors are calling life-changing. Morgan Ellis.
So there we go. We've now got a different hook, and we can do that with all of our different hooks, and each one of them is going to create a new ad. So each hook that we create and we input into our ad at the front end, we can have 5, 6, 7, 8 different hooks. It's going to output a completely different video ad, and it's going to target a completely different subsector of our audience on the back end. It's going to give us, ads that we can utilize over and over again and keep testing all different hooks and tapping into different audiences. But not only can we actually test different hooks, what we can also do is for each one of these hooks, we can have a different video in the background of that hook. So one of them, kind of referring or relating to that particular hook that we're talking about. So if we're talking about seniors, we can have a video of a senior maybe trying to climb the stairs. And so not only are you testing the actual hook itself, but you're also testing different videos or different kind of creatives or visuals at the start of each one of those as well. So it gives you multiple different ways that you can go ahead and test these scripts, and it's super easy to implement on the back end and make these changes. So you can, in about 10 minutes, I could have 10 different variants of this particular video ad. So I just wanted to share this technique with you today. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, all I ask you to do is just like the video, subscribe to the channel, helps me with future uploads. Of course, if you're interested in joining my private community, I've left a link down below where you can schedule a call to find out more about how it works. Otherwise, I will see you guys in the next video.